The Ukrainian Defense Forces have begun military trials of Black Widow 2, a new small riverine unmanned surface vehicle designed for reconnaissance and offensive operations. It boasts maximum speed of 40 km per hour and an operational range of up to 10 km. As part of its defense modernization strategy, India has initiated development of specialized ammunition for two Russian-origin anti-aircraft systems, Zu-23 and Shilka. This initiative aims to enhance the Indian Army's capabilities against the increasing drone threat while reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. According to a video shared by Russian sources, North Korean M1989 Coxswain self-propelled artillery systems have reportedly appeared on the front lines in Ukraine. The footage shows one of massive artillery systems positioned at camouflaged firing location. Taiwan has quietly received and deployed its first batch of high-mobility artillery rocket systems, marking a significant enhancement in its defense capabilities. HIMARS enables Taiwan to strike distant targets and enhance its deterrence against potential aggressors.